Hey guys, what's up? Back with another video. So today we'll be unboxing the FIFINE T669 USB microphone. I've been using this microphone well over 2 weeks now, so here's my review on it. But let's get through the unboxing first. See what all comes in the package. So this microphone looks very good once it's set up. It's also very flexible. I'll show you guys how I set up mine. So stay tuned in the video if you want to see that. Here's all the different parts to get your microphone set up however you want it. I had to do a little minor adjustment just to get it fitted to my desk. I'll show you guys later in the video how I did that. All the parts are lightweight. They don't feel very cheap at all. Of course, it doesn't feel like $1,000 mic set, but it does feel good. It does feel like it will last once you take good care of it. You could also set this microphone on a tripod. Here it is. I'll show you guys that later too, how it looks. So there's many ways you can use this mic. So here's a closer look at the most important piece in the set, the microphone. To me it looks pretty good. What do you guys think about the design? Drop that down in the comment section and let's have a discussion about it. Now let's get this last piece out. It's very lightweight. And of course, it's very flexible. So you could have that microphone directed however you want it. So currently, this is how my microphone is mounted to the desk. My desk is a little thick. So if you guys run into a problem where you're not able to get this on and screw it, you could just pop it off. I just use a screwdriver and I kind of pop this out, and that gave me the space that I needed. Because this was literally blocking it right there and I couldn't fit it, so I figure, hey, just pop this off and make it work, and it does work for me, so that's good. Don't mind this cord, I just have it running like this now because it's plugged into my iPhone, but normally it would be hidden under the desk like that. So it's fully adjustable. You're able to swing it however you want. I store it like this when I'm not using it. I'll just bring it out. Fully adjustable. Tilt it up, down, however you want it. This is also adjustable. There goes your gain. Turn it up, down, whatever you want. And this is also fully adjustable, so you could have it like that, or you could tighten it back, bring it up, bring it down, back, up, up, sides, however you please. So here's a closer look at the microphone without the cover. Looks pretty nice. Also nice FIFINE branding. Okay, so for comparison, here's a mic test from the built-in microphone in my iPhone. Mic test, mic test, mic test, testing, testing, testing. And now, here's a test from the FIFINE microphone. Testing, testing, testing. Mic test, mic test, mic test. So the audio you're hearing right now is coming straight from my iPhone's built-in microphone, because I wanted to show you guys this in case you're wondering, how do you get a USB mic to work on an iPhone? You'll need one of these adapters, and I'll link it down in the description if you guys want to check it out also. So we'll just plug the USB microphone into here like that, and we'll just plug the lightning connector straight into iPhone, and that will give us our audio. So let's say you didn't want it on the bigger stand anymore. You could use the tripod that's also included. So there we go. Looks pretty nice. Fits perfect. Very adjustable. Full 360 spin. No complaints at all. There we go. Nice clean look. What do you guys think about it? Comment down below and let me know. Also, what do you think about the sound quality? This mic is a must-have. I'm using it. I have no issues at all. Here's a closer look. Very beautiful mic all around. If you guys enjoyed this video, please go ahead and smash that like button, and also subscribe to the channel for more content like these. As always guys, thanks for watching, and peace out.